Hey everyone, it's Marcello here from the Toyota World YouTube channel, and I'm inside of Maple Toyota to talk to you guys about a popular topic in a lot of the comments sections of my videos. I get emailed these questions a lot too. What is the hybrid battery replacement cost? If you go through some of my videos in the comments, you'll see a lot of people and viewers, customers are saying, oh, don't go hybrid. If you go hybrid, you better be careful on that hybrid battery replacement cost. If you ever have to replace that battery, it's gonna be, costing a lot of money in that. Well, we're going to take the curtains off and tell you just what kind of money you could be looking at if you had to replace the hybrid battery in one of your Toyota hybrid vehicles. I'm gonna give you an example on a particular model in a particular year of what the hybrid battery replacement cost would look like on that vehicle just ahead. All right, everyone. So for starters, we're not new at this. And when I say we, I mean Toyota. The first Toyota Prius launched in October of 1997. That's a long time ago. I was 11 years old, around there. So we've been in the hybrid game for a long time. So one thing's for sure, you can buy with confidence when you're looking at a Toyota hybrid vehicle. All right, so what does it cost? What does the cost look like for replacing the hybrid battery on, let's say, a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid? Well, here it is. So the cost of a battery assembly for something like a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is just under $4,000. That's right. It's about $3,940, of course, plus taxes. This pricing is Canadian. Now, that doesn't include labor. The job calls for about 4 hours labor. So if you do the math on that, depending on what your Toyota service department charges for labor, anywhere from, I'm not sure, it could be $150 an hour labor, $180 an hour labor, whatever that is the total cost of replacing a hybrid battery on something like a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Now, what do I have to say for that? So you're looking around $4,000 to $5,000, give or take, with the taxes. In relation to some other moving parts or non-moving parts on a vehicle, so keep in mind, this is on a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. That vehicle, probably brand new, was in and around the $40,000 price range. So for something that plays such a large role into getting the vehicle operating properly, as a percentage, around $4,000 to $5,000 or $4,000 plus the labor, it's quite reasonable. And if you look at other moving or not moving parts on a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, let's say 2019 or whatever year the RAV4 Hybrid, Corolla Hybrid, Camry Hybrid is, you can see in relation to the price of the vehicle and in relation to the importance of that part, it's pretty expected and pretty standard to expect this kind of cost for a repair that's quite large. That's right. I mean, take a look at the price of a taillight or a headlight. I mean, these parts, they're very intricate. They're designed well. They're Toyota genuine parts. You've got to expect that they will cost some money, and something like such a important vehicle operating part like the hybrid battery, well, $3,900 or just shy of $4,000. Look at the price of an engine, look at the price of a transmission. If you ever have to replace a transmission, you'll see it's all relative to something of this importance. All right, now that I've answered the question of how much it would cost to replace the hybrid battery itself and what type of labor is involved in a job like that, please take note that I've been here for almost 16 years and I do not believe we've ever replaced a hybrid battery on a Toyota hybrid vehicle. And we have, Camry taxi cabs that come in here with 6, 7, 800,000 kilometers with the original battery. We may have replaced one battery out of the 15 years that I've been here, but I believe that was because the customer tried to convert the battery to some other form or something like that, and basically messed it up a bit, so we had to replace that battery. But that's it. We've never replaced a hybrid battery here at our dealership. So it goes without saying, like I said, a lot of trust in the brand. We've been doing this since 1997 at least, or earlier. So, you know, not much to worry about. And here's one more thing to take away. You've got tons of factory warranty from Toyota on the battery. There's two warranties that come with Toyota hybrid vehicles. You've got the hybrid component warranty, and then you've got the hybrid battery warranty. So in reality, a lot of these comments and remarks, they're not really justified unless you're driving the vehicle past these thresholds, which I'm going to give you in a second. And also keep in mind, you can extend this warranty, if I'm not mistaken, from Toyota on the hybrid component and hybrid battery system. So here's what the coverage is. So on something like a RAV4 hybrid, Camry hybrid, Highlander hybrid, even the RAV4 Primes and whatnot, you've got the hybrid component warranty, which is an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer coverage. And then you've got the hybrid battery coverage, which is 10 years, 240,000 kilometers. That's a lot of time, and that's a lot of distance traveled. Now on something that's full electric, like the BZ lineup, those also do have a similar warranty, hybrid component, hybrid battery, for a total combined, it's an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer for either warranty. So I ask you, after watching this video, is there really much to worry about or think of when it comes to going hybrid versus non-hybrid, or vice versa, in relation to the fear of having to replace a hybrid battery? As you can see from the history, from the warranty, the coverage that Toyota gives you right off the bat, from the pricing of the item itself, now you guys know what it costs. Pricing can vary a little bit from region to region, zone to zone. Obviously, this is Canadian right now. We're at Maple Toyota. But I hope you enjoyed this review and this discussion. Took the fear out of a lot of viewers and a lot of customers of going from a gas, regular combustion setup to something like a hybrid vehicle. Toyota is where it's at right now. We've got long-standing history with that kind of technology. So I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, smash a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.